Hello everyone and welcome to the Forex Technical Market Update for August 17th, 2016. Okay, let's just give a synopsis of what is happening in the market. What we have in front of us is a chart of the US dollar index, and as you should know, the US dollar index it's made up of a number of different currencies, the major currencies, largely driven by the euro. I believe the euro makes up about 55% of the dollar index. So this is a chart of the US dollar index, and as you can see, the market has been in a sideways consolidation pattern now for a number of months. The market bottomed. The US dollar bottomed back here in February, March, and then what we had was the market went up, retraced, went up again, and now what it looks like this is doing is another retracement. Now the question is, does it retrace and turn around here, or does the market come back and revisit that bottom? That's what we have to wait and see. But for now, what we have to bear in mind is that if the market is going to, because it's a channel, if the market is going to revisit the top of the channel, normally market just don't go straight up. It normally goes up, down, and up. Similar situation here. When the market hit the top of the channel, you see went down, retraced, went down again, retraced, and then went down again. So that's what could be happening here with the US dollar index. Let's just take a look at what's happening in the euro. Let me just clean up this. Let me just clean up this chart. As you can see right here with the euro currency, the opposite of what the US dollar index is doing. The market went down, came up, went down, is retracing now, and looking like it's finding some resistance in this 113 area. So we're looking to see if the market will continue down, or will it revisit back the old top. And that's what's happening here in the euro. I know it's August, and during the August months we can have some very slow markets, and that's what's happening with the euro. Taking a look at the US dollar, Japanese yen. Slow markets is not really necessarily happening with the Japanese yen, and as you can see, since the year has started, we have a fairly strong downtrend in the Japanese yen. And what we teach here at ACES Trading is a trend following method, and this has been the market that has trended very well, and the Japanese yen and the different Japanese yen pairs. For example, the British pound and the Japanese yen, strong downtrend. The Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, strong downtrend also. So you could take advantage of this downtrend with the Japanese yen. And there, over the last couple of months, there's a lot of pips to be made from the Japanese yen, and that's the beauty of the forex market. If you find that the euro, for example, is moving erratic, you can trade the Japanese yen, and you can always look for other opportunities out there in the markets. Taking a look at the British pound has entered a consolidation pattern, as you can see here, a triangular consolidation pattern. And these patterns normally resolve themselves in the way it came. So it entered in a downtrend. We could consolidate for a little bit, and then the downtrend may continue. Another market that's interesting is the gold market. Let me just clear this up. We're in a consolidation pattern here with gold, as you can see. And this triangle will resolve itself either to the downside, or the market may break out to newer highs, and that's something we just have to wait and see. So the biggest takeaway from these markets here is that yes, the euro is moving sideways, and it's very erratic and can be choppy for trend followers, and that's what I teach, how to follow trends. But You can look at other markets, for example, the yen, and you may find markets that are trending. Another market that has been in a uptrend over the last couple of months is the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. As you can see, market bottomed out, and we have had a series of higher highs and higher lows in the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. This could all turn around very soon because we're seeing some consolidation up here with the Kiwi. And this could be a double top with the Kiwi, or it could be another triangle where the market will consolidate before moving to the upside. Okay, so that essentially is it for the Forex market update. Remember that trading the markets and learning the markets is a step-by-step thing, but you have to take action. You have to actually put your foot in the water to actually to learn what this is. And if you learn how to trade properly, you have a better chance of extracting money out of the markets than not learning. If you would like to learn more about our trend following methodology and how to trade these markets using a method where you don't have to be staring at the screen all day, you can set it and just monitor the markets throughout the day. You can join me on the webinar. What you can do is below this video, you'll get a link to the webinar on how to sign up. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar. It will be very educational, eye-opening, and it will definitely improve your trading and give you a whole new perspective on the market. So click on the link below this video to sign up for the webinar, and I will see you on the webinar. Thank you.